guys. I know we didn't have time to go over, sorry, that's from my Zoom. I know we didn't have time to go over the delta math before the end of class, so I wanted to give you a video walking through how to do it. There's no new assignment for tomorrow, so you have today and tomorrow to complete it, and I'll be available this afternoon or tomorrow afternoon if you need help, okay? All right, so we're supposed to put a table's values into the table to determine the limit as x approaches 1 from the left, from the right, the overall limit, and what f of 1 is. So first of all, f of 1 is super easy to find. Just put 1 in your table and see what the value is. Okay, so f of 1 is 0. Okay, I'm just going to clear this so we don't think about that. Now let's go through the limits. Okay, so as you're approaching 1 from the left, that's what that minus sign means, right? From the left. So you have to think what's left of 1 on the number line. So left of 1 would be 0. Okay, so let's just start with 0. Now I want to get closer to 1. So what's between 0 and 1? Let's say 0.5. Okay, let's get even closer. 0.9. Even closer, 0.99. Then 0.999999. You're right, you're getting closer and closer and closer to 1 from the left. So as you can see, the more I get closer, I'm approaching negative 0.5. Okay? I'm going to clear it just so I can show you. Now we're approaching 1 from the right. So what's bigger than 1? 2. Okay, let's get closer to 1. 1.5. Let's get even closer, 1.1. Even closer, 1.01. 1.001. 1.000001. Right? You're getting closer and closer, and I'm approaching 2. Now, since my limit from the left and my limit from the right are not equal, the limit altogether does not exist. Or you're going to click this button, Danny. Oh, did it twice. Okay. F of 1, I told you I just got from literally just plugging 1 into the table. Okay, let's make sure I'm right. Submit answer. Check. Okay, now let me find one that has negative numbers, because I know those get a little tricky. Good, negative 4. Okay, so we're approaching negative 4 from the left. So I need a number that's to the left of negative 4, which would be like negative 4.1, right? That's big, that's more negative, so it's to the left. Let's get even closer to negative 4, negative 4.01, then 0.01, then 0.00001. I'm getting very, very close to negative 4. So it looks like I'm approaching negative 1. Okay, let's try negative 4 from the right. So what's the right of negative 4? That would be like negative 3. So getting closer to negative 4, I'm going to do negative 3.9. Then negative 3.99. 9999. Just keep going. Looks like I'm approaching 5. Okay, so then the limits are different. So my limit does not exist. And to find f of negative 4, I literally just plug in negative 4. And it is negative 3. Okay. And I'm right again. Yay. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Feel free to reach out if you're confused by anything. You will get this. I'm like, don't worry if you're confused right now. You'll get it by tomorrow. I promise. Okay, see ya.